This video is being prepared for the Retired Employees City of San Antonio Association by Joe Jimenez of G3 Public Relations. Today's topic involves the creation of pages, what pages are, how you can use them, how they fit into menus. We're going to start by looking at the front page of the website to discuss what a page is and how a page is different from a post. So a page is something that never changes, or it stays static. A good example of a page is under here, under the About Us menu, we have the 2021 board members page. So we click on that, and this brings up the board members biographical information with a little picture. Each one of these is different, of course, but it provides you with a good look at what a page is. If we go here to the mission statement under About Us, we see that the mission statement comes up on the mission, and this is on the mission statement page. Compare that to the home page where there are posts, and posts are more frequently updated information that comes or is provided to members on the front page about something that is going on. In this case, the most recent post was published on May 13th, announces the funeral of Jean Camargo, the Rocosa family founding chair. But it also has other previous listings for on May 24th. There was a board meeting that was announced on April 23rd. And so you can see how these posts change and supersede the preceding posts in terms of informing members. So let's get into how we create a page and how we can use pages to populate our menus. So we're going to go ahead and go to the dashboard of the post. We're going to go to the dashboard for the website. And over here on the left side, we see all the options that are available to somebody that's in this part of the website. Here is the post, and here are the pages. So let's go to the pages. We'll go to all pages. On all pages, we see all the pages that are currently on the website. Kind of. I'll get into that in a minute. So we just took a look at the board info. Let's go back here to we went to the About Us page, and the About Us page is right here. Let's go to that. And on the About Us page, it's a clean page that shows different options that you can pick, and will go to links to other pages. So here we're in the About Us page. Click up there, and you can see that these are the same options here as we had over here in the editor. But also on the About Us serves as a menu that has these same options just on different pages. So for instance, here's the mission statement as a pull-down option. Here's the mission statement as a link. But let's click on both. Let's click here to mission statement, and there's the mission statement. And then let's go to the pull-down menu, click on mission statement, and the same page comes up. So that is how pages work. They can be linked. They're just static pages. They can be linked to other parts of the site. And what I'm going to show you here in a minute is they can exist, but they don't even have to link to your site. So let's go back here to the editing part of the WordPress, and let's go back to the pages. I don't want to, by the way, I don't want to change anything here, so I'm not going to press update, but we're just going to go back here to pages, all pages, and we're going to create a new page. So up at the top it says add new. We're going to add new, and we're going to add a title, and I'm going to add this as the test page for demonstration video. And then I'm going to add in some text to my page. This page is for demonstration purposes only and will soon be deleted forever. Now we're going to publish this page. So I come over here to the right, I hit publish, and it is now published. If I click on this link, this permalink right here, which automatically creates that page, we can see the title, test page for demonstration video, and we can see the text. This page is for demonstration purposes only and will soon be deleted forever. Now, this page does not exist anywhere else on the website. It doesn't exist on the home page. If we click back to the home page, we can see that the last post is there. If we click on these menus, we can see that it's not anywhere in here, and it's not anywhere in any of these other menus. But the page still exists as just its own URL page. And our job is, once we create a page, it's to link it somewhere within the website, if we want to, so that other people can see it. So we're going to go back here to our dashboard. Let's go to our dashboard. Okay, so here's our page. We updated it, and right now we're going to add this to our menu. So let's go here to Appearance and then Menus. And you will see over here on the left side under Add Menu Items, we have Pages, and we have our new page that we just added a minute ago, and it says Test Page for Demonstration Video. This is the demonstration video of pages. So I'm going to click check mark, and I'm going to add it to the menu. So check and add to menu. And if you look over here on the right for our menu, you can see all the options that we have on the home page. And down here is where it adds this as a new menu item. So let's just go ahead and save that for now, and let's see what happened over here on the front page. So I clicked Save Menu, so it's saving that. And then I'm going to go here back to the home page, and I refreshed it, and you can see that this is now a new menu item amongst all of the other menu items. And if you look here, you can see that there's a hierarchy: Home, About Us, City Resources, Photo Gallery, Join Us, and then Test Page for Demonstration Video. And you can see that that's the top line here amongst all of the options. Now, if you go back over here to the menus, you can see we'll just use the About Us. The About Us has a main menu topic, and then it has 5 different sub-menus. Those sub-menus, if we go over here, are what's part of the pull-down menus right here. Board news, bylaws, board members, mission statement, contact RCOSA. Okay, and so that new page that we added, the test page for demonstration video, is something that I want to go ahead and add to the photo gallery as a new hierarchy submenu to photo gallery. So I bring it up there, click Save Menu, and then we'll go back to the front page. Right now, it's not here under photo gallery, but once I hit refresh, it will be, because we're working off the old previous version before we made that move. So we're going to go here to photo gallery, and now you can see that we have the test page for demonstration video. And if you click on that, it will take us to that page that we created. The test page for demonstration video. This page is for demonstration purposes only and will soon be deleted forever. So we don't need this page any longer. So I'm going to go back here to the menus page. And first of all, I'm going to go ahead and delete it from here. The way that you do that is you click on it, click on the pull down, and you hit remove down here in the bottom of the box. Oh, by the way, let me show you one thing. We can change the navigation label so that it's different from the actual page label. So here I'm going to delete I'm going to shorten the navigation label to test page, and I'm going to save it. And let's go back over here to the home page. Let's go ahead and refresh. And if I go here to the photo gallery, you can see that it's now kind of a shorter test page menu item, but the full page of the full title of the page is here. If we click here, it'll refresh, and it still stays test page for demonstration video. So that's just a little trick in case you want to shorten a menu navigation, but you want to keep the page title the same. Okay, so let's go back over here, and let's go ahead and do what we were doing, and that is we're going to expand this item, and we're just going to remove it. So let's remove it, and it's gone. It's just gone from the menus. It still exists as a page. So let's go back here. I can do a refresh up at the top. It was here under photo gallery. And let's see. Oh, I know why it's still there. We removed it from the photo gallery, but we didn't hit save menu down here at the bottom right. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then let's go back here to our page and take a look at it. And let's refresh. And it's gone from beneath the photo gallery. Okay, so remember, when you're in the menus page, to go ahead and hit the save menu button. Okay, so let's go back to the page, and here it is, and we're going to click on it to edit it. Now, I don't really want this page to be around anymore. It's already served my purposes. I do want to, before I delete it, I do want to show you that this page is like any other page in WordPress or any post for that matter, because you can do a lot of things with it. You can add an image. So let's add media. Let's add this image here. We'll insert that into the page, and there it is. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and update this. It's updating. Now remember, we don't have this anywhere linked on our page, so we're just going to have to click here to see what the page looks like. And there it is with the image. If we click on that image, it expands it, makes it big so that we can see it better. But for more descriptions of what you can do with this space, you should go back to the post video and take a look at all the things that can be done. Okay, so we're going to go back to our editing portion of this website. And we're going to go ahead and delete it because we don't need it. So the way that we do that is, well, there's two ways. One, we can just unpublish it, where we go over here to status, edit, and we have options to, turn it into draft, and we hit OK, and it won't show up except in this editing mode. But we want to go ahead and delete it because it's not doing us any good. It doesn't need to be there. So we're going to go back to pages, and we're going to see all the pages that are available to us. We're going to click on this page, and we're going to hit trash right here to get rid of that page. And it is now gone. Okay, so I do want to show you about another thing about pages, though. Here is the 2021 board members page, and let's look at this on the live site. So this is on the About Us. It is the 2021 board members, which we can get to either by clicking here or using the menu up here. But you can see the pancake style short biographies with a small picture that's available to us on this page. Let's just see how we can edit that. If we go here back to the pages editing page, and we go here to 2021 board members, let's click on that and see what comes up. So what comes up is not the pancake that is here on the live site. Now the reason that's happening is because it's actually an element in Elementor. It's a widget in Elementor. And we're going to go here to Elementor to make to look at it and make possible changes. So here is that pancake layout in Elementor, and if we had changes, we would make them here. So actually you can see over here on the left side, here's Liz Garcia's page, and what we would do is make any changes in text over here in this part of the website. But we're not going to do that. Actually, they call this not a pancake, but an accordion is what they're calling it up here. So my apologies. But we're going to go ahead and exit back to the WordPress dashboard. And when we go there, we go back to the 2021 board members page, which we could originally edit with Elementor. And we would get into, if we press it again, we would go back to that accordion representation of board members. We're not going to do that. I think the only thing that I want to show you as one final addition to this tutorial is simply that there are pages that still exist that they could be deleted because they're not really being used anywhere in the website. And we've already got the information in other places in the website. So I wanted to show you that. For instance, here's John German, treasurer. Let's click on this page. Right here you can see John's photo and you can see his biography here. And in previous versions of the website, this page was linked to another style of board member information pages. And we really don't need this page anymore because we have that new accordion style treatment for listing the biographies of board members. But because information can be sometimes hard to get, we have kept the John German biography here, and we notice that it's a draft page. So that means that it's not published, and right now it can just sit there and just take up electrons. It's not hurting anybody, and we can just leave it there. The same is true for all of these pages that are labeled as draft. They aren't showing up on the website anywhere because they're not published. I'm just taking a minute so that you can see how these are not published. This particular page, board members, is not published. But up here, the 2021 board members, it is published. And so you don't have that draft denotation there by it. Okay, so I think that pretty much covers all that we need to cover for today's tutorial on pages. Of course, there are a lot of other tutorials on YouTube about pages and page editing, and I would encourage you to take a look at that. But for the simple purpose of letting you scout around our website and how it functions, I think this tutorial has served its purpose. So join me next time. Thank you very much.